guys, it's me Mansha. Welcome back to my channel Craft Mania. I hope you are enjoying the content so far. As you read in the title, it is Mother's Day special. Mother's Day is approaching. It is on 11th of May. Just like me, I hope all of you want to make this Mother's Day special for your mothers. As you read in the title, The Spring of My Life. To me, my mother is a very special person in my life. Whenever she is with me, she adds a glimpse, she adds a moment, she adds a color to my life. So if you want to make this Mother's Day memorable for her, then please watch it till the end. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
So first we'll take an A4 size ivory sheet or a hard sheet. It can be of any color. I'm taking a white color. This is approximately 21 by 28 centimeter. Then I'll be taking a color paper. You can take of any color, any print that suits you. This is of 20 by 27 centimeter. I repeat, 20 by 27 centimeter. Now I'll stick it on the paper, on the ivory sheet. Never apply too much glue. As you can see, I've left some white edges. This is done because so that I can show the paper, show the white background. It looks really beautiful. Place it in the center. Now we'll take another paper. This is of 18 by 25 centimeter. And I'll place it again on the top of it. Stick it simply with the glue.
If you need, then I'll mention the sizes of the papers in the description box below. You can check it there.
Then again take another paper. I've taken it as the same pattern and color as the bottom one. This is a bit smaller from the edges, from the corners. It is of 25 by 10 centimeter. This paper I'll stick with double tape. So that it can get an embossed effect, I'll apply double tape to the corners of it. You can take papers of your own choice. Now remove the tape and stick it this way. I'll stick it in the center. Now I'll take this paper and stick it this way. Again with the help of a Fevicol. Just apply the glue on the center part. And stick it in this way. The basic structure is ready. Now we will decorate it. So these are some flowers and cutouts. I'll arrange them in a manner which you can arrange them as you wish. These are simple paper flowers. You can cut them out from colored paper. So this is the basic arrangement that I'm going to do. with some flowers, and I'll add leaves to it. Now let's do this. I'll stick this flower with the glue gun. You can stick it with the fabric glue too. Then this paper cutout with the double tape.
Here it is. It is ready. I have used different types of flowers, some of paper, some artificial, some of fabric. The leaves I have used are artificial leaves. You can even use artificial leaves or cut them out of the paper. I have put some butterflies, some birds, some beads. You can decorate it. I have used some pollen buds also. You can decorate it with whatever material you have at your home. It looks very beautiful, and in the center you can add a photograph or write something or put a message quote. I will put a photograph here so that I can gift it to my mother on Mother's Day. Even you can do this. It is a very beautiful gift, and as Mother's Day is approaching, you all can do that. So this was it, guys. If you loved my ideas, then do not forget to share it with your friends and relatives, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.